Hello friends. So in today's market analysis video for the upcoming week, we will be discussing about the Nifty analysis. We will be seeing about the sector, key concept sectors for bullish for next week, and also some of the stocks that can be tracked by the trader or investor for the short term. So without wasting time, let's start with the video with the first Nifty analysis part. So the blue line that I have drawn here currently, I will just change this color. So basically the upper blue line is the resistance for Nifty and the level is 17,943. So this is the resistance for Nifty and abhi यहाँ पे currently it is trading near this particular resistance line. And अभी हम यहाँ पे अगर support देखें तो यहीं पे वो support is around 17,452. And if you want to give the name to the pattern, so basically this is a rounded bottom pattern, and if Nifty closes about 17,943 in next week, so we might see some good up move in Nifty as well. And अगर हम target भी calculate करते हैं इसका, so I will use the range calculation for the target. So this can be a target for Nifty for short term, and which is 18,450. So this will be the target for Nifty, and 18,433 around, which is roughly 500 points up above the resistance line. And जो हमारा जो stop loss रहेगा वो it would be around 17,600. So basically अभी निफ्टी का जो current resistance rate is 17,943, and इसके ऊपर अगर breakout देके if it closes above this level, then we might see 18,433 levels as well in short term. And यहाँ पे इसने जो rounded bottom pattern भी बनाया. So this is about Nifty. अभी हम अगर sector rotation की बात करें तो these all sectors are bullish, and जो Nifty energy का sector है that is strong by currently. बाकी के sectors also are bullish basically, and you can check the stocks as well in this particular index or sector. So you can check all the individual charts, and you can trade the breakout, or if the stock is trading at support, then you can take position in that particular stock as well. So this is about sector rotation. And just wanted to update about the lemon tree that we have traded in the last I have shared in last few weeks. तो यहाँ पे हमने इसको शेयर किया था जब भी ये ब्रेकआउट दिया था इसके ऊपर, एंड करंटली हमारा जो टारगेट था वो 50 के आसपास है, एंड इट हिट द टारगेट, एंड वी हैव पोजीशन इट एट अराउंड 40 रुपीज, एंड अभी इट इज ट्रेडिंग एट 54, which means returns of almost around 30% in short term for trading. So basically lemon tree का position का जो target है वो hit हो गया, and one can now trail the stop loss, or one can exit their position as per their own discretion. So this chart was shared in the last I guess 2 weeks ago in the market analysis video. So basically I am sharing all the charts जहाँ पे we can see a good up move. जैसे lemon tree में it just took if we see, so it just took around 17 days to hit the target basically up ऊपर जाने के लिए, and we have got decent return as well of around 30% in short term. So you can take your own call, and also if you have got benefited from this learnings video, and if you have made a decent profit, then you can also like this video as well, and you can share it with others as well, so they can also learn what we are sharing and everything, so they can also learn from this video basically. So let's start with the first stock for today, which is Tata Coffee. So Tata Coffee had a resistance at this yellow line. यहाँ पे इसने resistance लिया था, यहाँ पे एक resistance है. Then the second resistance यहाँ पे था, and then यहाँ पे इसने breakout देके now it is basically consolidating. So जो इसमें हमारा trading plan रहेगा, it will be a buy at around 219, stop loss will be 198, and target will be 256 in short term. So this is a short-term trade as of now, and we will see if it gives a breakout above this level as well. But the current trading plan is the buying at this particular level and stop loss and target. And जो हमारा target है वो basically range calculation से आया है, then that is from this particular range. So हमने यहाँ पे range calculate करके we have added this about the target, about the resistance line, and हमारा जो target है वो 256 का we got from that particular calculation. अभी हमारा जो second stock है आज के लिए, it is JK Paper. So I will just open a line chart for this. सो यहाँ पे हमें क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि जो ब्लू लाइन है वो रेजिस्टेंस था फॉर द स्टॉक, एंड यहाँ पे इसने एक अटेम्प्ट किया था ब्रेकआउट का, बट अगेन ये ब्रेकआउट अटेम्प्ट फेल होके इट क्लोज्ड बिलो दिस रेजिस्टेंस लाइन, एंड अभी यहाँ पे इस रेजिस्टेंस लाइन के ऊपर अगेन इट गेव अ गुड ब्रेकआउट. So most probably this will be a successful breakout and we might see a good level as well in on the upside. So the trading plan in JK paper would be a buying would be at 247, stop loss will be 224, and target will be 300 in short term. So this can be another stock that one can be tracked by the traders. So this can be in the watch list as well. And the last stock for today is Subex, which is a 2-digit stock. And I will open a weekly time frame chart for this. So basically this is my one of the favorite pattern that I generally trade in most of the stocks, and it had worked very well. So I am just showing something. So this was a downtrend for Subex, जैसे कि हमें यहाँ पे दिख रहे, and if you calculate it percentage terms, so it is a correction of around 42% in Subex itself. And after this correction, the stock is consolidating in this particular range. ये जो upper range है वो 55.8 है. It is at around 55.5 and the lower range is at 48.8. So ये range के अंदर ही trade कर रहा था for around 7 to 8 or for around 2 months. And अभी इसने इस range के breakout दिया in the last week itself. Friday को इसने इसके ऊपर breakout दिया, and we might see a good upside in this particular stock for in Subex for short term. And the trading plan in Subex will be would be at current price, which is 56, and one can add more on dips. The stop loss will be 48 and the target will be 72 in the short term, which is the all-time high level for Subex itself. Not the all-time high level, but which is the most probably recent high level, which is 72 or 74. So one can track this particular stock as well for their trading, and they can keep this stock as well in the watch Subex in their watch list as well. So this is all about the stock part, and I have this all stock should be can be in the watch list or can be tracked as well. And if you have learned anything from this video, and if you have so you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos in the future. There is you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram for market related updates that I keep on sharing on this platform. And also there's a disclaimer with this video. Thank you guys.